I love you so very much. Very
I
beautiful
love you
sharing,
so.
very beautiful report. And I know the Sadhguru's grace is shining through you. It's very beautiful. Don't be worried. Don't be concerned about any of this. Just accept every moment as it is coming, and you will find this beautiful movie is playing out for your enjoyment. Enjoy the movie and never get attached to it. Never get attached to whatever is unfolding. All is good. All is good.
I love you so.
Very good.
Thank you, Father.
The smiling axeman.
The smiling axeman.
It's like the smile is an invitation. Come, 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 ciao.
It is. Yeah.
It's not planned.
So true. No, it's beautiful. So grace. Bring it on.
Bring it
Thank
on.
you.
Very good. She said something earlier which was very beautiful also. She said that I'm very grateful because you have taken everything away. Very grateful because you have taken everything away. Usually in life, when we go from place to place, we want things. We want more and more. And yet you come to satsang, and everything seems to be taken away. Everything seems to be just washed out of you. And this you realize then that this is what you have been looking for. Not to gather more and more, but for it to be washed away from inside you. So whatever might be happening outside, you find that inside everything is getting cleaned up. All these sneaky attachments, all the sense of I know something, all the sense of specialness, all the sense of false humility, all these things get cleaned up on its own, on its own graces flowing like this. The body of the Guru is as much an instrument as what is happening with you. Everything is working out beautifully in this play. Nobody here knows anything because it is not about knowing intellectually, but it is knowing in your heart that this one, this Sadguru, which dwells here, nothing can go wrong in its presence. All is auspicious, all is grace. And many of you have been having these. Some have been having this slow cleanup. Some of you have been having slow cleanup and then suddenly one quick wash. So these things are coming for many of you because you've been in satsang also. It can come sometimes. It can come suddenly. And what the ego feels is the opportunity to trap you actually becomes the biggest release. It feels like, okay, now I'm isolated, so I can work on this one and try to get her back. And actually, that becomes itself the biggest release because now you have seen yourself for what you really are. So okay, you can never really accept the person. You see, once you have got a glimpse of yourself, once you have seen yourself, even instantaneously, then you can never completely accept that you could just be a person. So all these tricks of the mind, all these energies moving in concert sometimes are now all getting released. And somehow it seems like many of us, our being has given refuge to all sorts of energies, you see. It's given refuge or it's found something, these energies have found some place. And then, like I told Palak earlier, not one blade of grass will stay. All of this will also get released. It's just the washing machine of satsang. So let it all get rinsed out. This is the rinse cycle. rinse cycle and spin dry, all this happens. So let it all happen. It's all good. All is auspicious in the presence of the Sadguru. And the Sadguru is always in your heart. Whatever person might still remain for any of you, let that person be in the refuge of your heart. Let that person be in refuge of the Sadguru in your heart. As I was telling Satsanga also yesterday, that if there's a sense of personhood, let that person be bowed down at the feet of the Sadguru. Let them use the Sadguru as an armor. And if there is no person, there is no question of any separation anyway. There is no question of any fear anyway.